So here's a Renovation Planner Home Selling Success Edition. You will have immediate access to the PDF version. You can print it out either at home or bring it to a printer, 3-hole punch it, and put it in a binder. I will share a link with you so you can purchase all the products that you need to enjoy the physical version. I will also show you how you can import this into your iPad or tablet of choice so that you can use this product digitally. Here is the table of contents, and it outlines everything that's included in this version. It's outlined step by step, including which tools are in each of those steps. Starting with the introduction, how to use the renovation planner. Again, like I said, there are 6 steps. I do want to make sure that you understand that this is not a DIY tutorial teaching you how to do hands-on renovation work. I'm not going to show you how to install a sink or how to install tile, but I will tell you how you can hire that work out. This is a guide that's going to walk you through the steps on how to prepare your house to sell so that you can sell it quickly and for top dollar. There are a lot of resources in here that I've utilized over the years. It's very thorough. So as long as you go through this step by step, there is absolutely nothing that you won't be able to do. And as this quote states, a goal without a plan is just a wish, which is a great prelude into our very first step, which is planning.